A new week means new outfits. I am sharing what I wore this last week, including some work outfits. I met up with some suppliers. I had a sustainable conference to attend. Again, some work from home outfits, giving you tips and tricks on how to put together outfits that make sense no matter where you're headed. Welcome back. It is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your Pear Shape Shorty style guru. I'm sure you've noticed the new mirror. I will have more on that. I actually am going to do a whole blog post on it, which is in my description, www.littlemissjbstyle.com. If you didn't know, blogs are alive and well, but I am back this week sharing what I wore this week. I had a pretty busy week actually, meeting up with some suppliers to review lab books. I also went to a sustainable vehicle production conference, which I talked about a little bit on my IG stories, and of course working from home in the coffee shop. So lots of different outfit ideas, no matter whether you're headed into the office or you're staying at home. There's definitely something to look forward to in this video. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Do not miss a video I share tips and advice for style, beauty, travel, just all the areas of life in general to help you get to that next level, because you absolutely deserve to get there. As always, there are links in the description. If there's a piece you are loving, I get it because it's in my closet. I have linked it below. So let's get into what I wore this week. Happy Monday, back with what I'm wearing this week. So this setup is temporary for now. I'm getting a new floor mirror, so I was starting to rearrange, and this was just kind of the best place it fits. So I actually do have some place to be, which is exciting. Even though I enjoy working from home, I do not miss the office. I am a social person and I enjoy being in social settings, so whenever I have to meet with somebody for work, I actually try and meet them at a coffee shop. I just find the environment's way more laid back. I can dress how I want, they can dress how they want, we can have more casual conversation than what I would normally be comfortable talking about in the office. I just feel like there's too many ears, and black women, I know you understand. So let's get into the outfit. This is actually from a black owned boutique. I love this top. It is snatchy, snatch. H&M actually has something very similar, but theirs is backless, but I figured this was fun, structured, but still professional. And then going with these H&M jeans because we love them, and I have the Forever 21 boots because I just thought it would go with the top. But what I am really excited about is the outerwear. Let me show you the perfect spring coat. Oh my goodness. The piece de resistance. This coat is from NAKD. I got it when they had 25% off their entire site. I got a 38, which actually is surprising because it is still oversized. I could have gotten away with a 36, but if you want to wear chunkier sweaters, I usually size up for that reason in my coat. So this was perfection. And I love that the buttons actually are hidden if you want to actually button it up, but why would I want to hide the drama? So because the coat is such a statement, that's why the rest of my outfit is fairly simple. But I talk about this often. Even when I'm wearing basics, I try and reach for elevated basics. So obviously I could have reached for just a plain white button up, but instead I chose to reach for this corset style to give some detail, to give some excitement. The boots, again, just to kind of match. I love the lighter colors. It makes me feel like a little more fresh than darker colors. Spring is around the corner. It's actually going to be like 40s later this week for one day, so this is my yes, spring is here, loving the colors. And then a quick look at my accessories. Lashes by Fletta T Mink, you already know. We have the Nature the Label earrings, and then the Bobble Bar earrings. I'm loving the double up effect. I've really been digging that. And then for the rings, I have the middle one is from ASOS. It was part of a pack, and this one on my pointer finger is Biella Vintage. On this hand, the pointer finger and middle finger are from the same pack from ASOS, and then the ring finger is from Biella Vintage. So this is my outfit. This is what I would consider a work outfit now. I find that most of my outfits are more creative office outfits now because I rarely am in a traditional office. And then also, my office environment really is more laid back, so I'm allowed to wear stuff like this. Maybe not this top because it shows a little bit of skin on the side. So this is my Monday meeting with the supplier, work-ish outfit. Again, more business casual, emphasis on the casual. That is what I'm allowed to do, and that's what I love to style. So yeah, happy Monday. Happy Tuesday. I have literally a day full of meetings, so I wanted something simple. You have seen this set from H&M with the H&M slippers also. I'm an outfit rewearer. I think it's really hard to actually show that you're an outfit rewearer outside of doing something like this where it's what I wore this week. But I find that a lot of the what I wore this week videos, part of that for the creators is they are challenging themselves to not wear the same exact thing, which is okay, but I rewear my stuff quite often actually. Like, I've been trying to find that balance of, look, here's what I'm actually wearing, and it's like, okay, I'm showing you guys what I wore this week. I kind of wore that last week. Should I try and put on something new? But I like my clothes. I look good in my clothes. So I want to rewear my clothes as often as possible. Also, I did hit a bit of a snag because I did have a different matching set. I actually bought a set from ASOS. I'll show it over there. It's this modal print, and I loved the tiger print, obviously, like the brown, the black. It was gonna be so classic, but it's made of this like modal material, which is a more sustainably manufactured material and grown material. But the downside is there was some discoloration. Like, I ended up sending it back because I didn't even have it on a couple of minutes. I'm definitely someone who, when I get something new, I mean, I gotta try it on, okay? Like, I'm walking around in it. If it's heels, I'm wearing them all day. If it's clothes, you know, fresh out of the shower, I would like to wear them around to really get a feel for them, especially because I emphasize comfort. So I was trying them on. It was really, really cute, but I was noticing after just like wearing it for even just 15 minutes, like the pants had some discoloration. It almost was like I sweat, but I wasn't sweating, or like somehow it was absorbing body oils. But again, I'm not sure what that would be from, and I just was like, yeah, no, I don't want to deal with that. That means like every time I sweat or every time, I'm gonna have to like wash these all the freaking time and be very careful what gets on them. So I'm really disappointed because usually ASOS does not disappoint, and I was really excited to try more sustainable material, but that just didn't leave a good taste in my mouth. But it happens, you know, and it's like I'm trying not to be like, oh, never buy modal again, never do that, because again, it's like I don't want to miss out on something. But that set had to go back, but I was really excited to show you. So we are in this today, which I'm not disappointed in. It is comfortable, it is cozy, and for a day full of meetings, it will do. For the jewelry, these earrings are humans before handles. Love, love, love them. The rings, I have the Bodega ring my boyfriend got me, and then the love ring under is Vanessa Mooney. My name ring is from Oak and Luna. And then on this finger, I actually have this really cute zebra print ring that I found from Macy's some years ago, and every time I wear zebra, I try and bust it out. I actually had an obsession with trying to get just like a bunch of animal rings so I could have like an entire zoo on my hand. So I have all kinds of like lions and jaguars and things, and the zebra was just such a fun find. So that is my outfit for Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. So my mirror comes today. I'm very chilled, not really going anywhere, planning to work from home. Might even grab a coffee. So this is just my very chill outfit of the day, and as you can see, these Zara zebra jeans have me in their clutches. I love them. The best $20 your girl has spent. So let's get into the outfit. This top is a seamless top. I just got this from H&M. I love it. I was looking for a good crew neck long sleeve that I could wear by itself but also layer. So this is a size medium. It fits perfectly for my big ribcage girls. I sized up. Usually I would have gone with a small, but I feel like this fits so much better. It doesn't ride up. It stays where it should stay. Very flattering. And again, the Zara jeans with the Amazon slippers for around the house. And then I have the Baraki earrings from Revolve. But let me show you how I would dress this up if I was going to leave the house to go run some errands really quick. If I was gonna pop out, I would go ahead and throw on this fuzzy Zara jacket. You have seen this before. Whenever I'm gonna go and reach for the safer color, in this case black obviously is a very safe color, I don't want it to be boring, so I try and reach for things with texture and things that are fun. In this jacket, absolutely fun. It still keeps my proportions. As you see, it stops at the smallest part of my waist to still highlight the legs. And I went with a black boot also just to keep continuity. So these are from Dolce Vita. These are the run-in ones I need to replace, but haven't found a replacement yet. And then for a bag, really quickly, just an ASOS bag. Very simple, but the additional texture, you have the croc print, you have the fuzzy on top of the zebra. It's not doing too much, but it still gives the outfit a lot of fun and a lot of flair and personality, even though you're staying with safe colors of black and white. So this would be my I'm running to grab coffee, which now that I've said it enough times, I think I should go do. So happy Wednesday. Hopefully I'll be showing you the new mirror for tomorrow's outfit for Thursday. Before we get into the rest of the outfits for the week, I'm super curious what your week looked like. What was something really exciting that happened to you? I'm always curious. I love sharing in your celebrations and your wins. A big win for me is actually that I have an interview for a sustainable materials engineer position. I'm so excited. I've been trying to make this happen for myself, and it might even be remote, which Yeah, so I am very, very excited. Share with me what one big win from your week was in the comments. I really want to know and celebrate you. Happy Thursday. I do have the new mirror, however, I don't have the sun, so the lighting in this mirror is just working for me. This is turning out to be like really clutch. So I am running to an ITB Sustainable Vehicle Production Conference. So a reminder in case you forgot, I am a sustainable materials engineer by day. I help to find and analyze the performance of more sustainable products to see if they will work inside of our vehicles. So this is the base of the outfit. I'm gonna be sitting all day. I think it's like an all day, like 9-hour conference. So I decided to go with something that is both professional and comfortable. This is the base. So the top is from ASOS. It is super comfortable, super soft. I love this shade of like dark green. And these pants are from Zara. And this is why, if you watch my video on how to add color to your wardrobe, this is why I stress the importance of like finding the right shades for you and picking shades. And as someone who likes to wear monochrome, this is why, because these almost match like almost perfectly. Like you can see they're like maybe a half a shade off, but from a distance, it looks like it could be a jumpsuit. Like it looks really, really comfortable. And I have these very, very comfortable shoes again because it's going to be an all day thing. It's snowing outside. I'm not going to risk it. So these are my cute little New Balances. So this is the base of my outfit. It is super comfortable. Even though there isn't elastic in this, it's not fitted. There's definitely still room. So when I'm sitting, I'm going to be nice and comfortable. And that's super important for me. I talk about this often. Comfort to me is synonymous with confidence. Like when I'm comfortable, I'm confident. And that's really important because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be the only black girl there. And on top of that, I do plan to ask questions and stuff like that. And I get really nervous. Surprisingly, I'm sure you probably would have never guessed, but I do get really nervous in front of like really big crowds and talking in large groups. So I sweat really easily, and that's the other reason I went with something that's going to be comfortable and breathable because, you know I'm going to have questions, but getting that microphone and asking those questions, I'm going to be a little nervous. So let me show you just how I am polishing off the look, and I will get into the accessories as well. Green is still that color in my opinion, so I just decided to polish it off with this really fun bright green. This is from Stradivarius from ASOS. It is sold out, but this is the full look, and I know that this is already going to be bright. I know it's going to be a lot of, and I don't mean this in the way it was going to come off, but it's definitely going to be a lot of older white men and like maybe 1 or 2 women. And so I already know it's going to be like boring suits, boring blah blah blah, grays and blues. So I wanted something that's going to stand out but also not be over the top, because again, this is a far more professional setting than I've been in a while. So this is my version of just like a really fun suit, right? Like I don't have to match, but this is still in essence a suit. You have the nice pants, I have the nice turtleneck, so it really comes together. And then I went with some softer lashes. These are Ardell faux minks, and then I am doubling up the earrings again with Gypsy the Nature and Bauble Bar because I'm just really liking that right now. 4 rings. We have my name ring by Oak and Luna, and then this is from Biella Vintage. And then both of these are from the same ring pack from ASOS. So this is my let's go talk about sustainability, let's get these materials in vehicles, let's change the world boss girl engineering outfit for a conference. Happy Friday. I'm deciding that I want to go work from the coffee shop. I decided to also walk. It's a little bit snowy, but not too bad. I have found that just adding more walking into my daily life, between walking Anna, going outside and getting fresh air, walking to the coffee shop when I can when it's not terribly cold, one has just helped me to like keep weight off. I feel like I've never maintained my weight so easily as I have the last 2 years. But 2, just being outside, and I know I'm really lucky that I live somewhere where I'm comfortable to be outside and able to walk outside, but I feel like that too just is really grounding for me. So I'm gonna walk and do work at the coffee shop today. So this is the outfit. We have this turtleneck. This is from H&M. It is really, really old, but you know me, I love leopard print. I love it. And then the pants are also H&M. I'm just now realizing these are the really skinny crocodile print ones I've had for a while. Then, because it is snowing, we have these amazing boots. These are from NAKD. If you read my blog, which is linked in the description, then you have seen that with my après-ski movement. I gave in. I will not lie. Like, again, because I'm walking Anna, because I'm outside, like in winter in Michigan, I really was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get even more really cute, fun accessories that also are functional. And these make so much sense. I'm not a fan of just like the plain Uggs. Just like with everything, I'm really just not a fan of like plain anything, if I'm honest. I do try and find stuff that has fun and personality. So I thought these faux fur boots would just be absolutely amazing. And then let me show you the jacket I plan to wear really quick. This jacket, also from H&M. I promise this is not sponsored, but H&M, if you are looking for a new collaborator influencer, go ahead and hit me up. This is a size small. I love, again, the faux fur detail I really give in. I had a plain regular jacket that just was fading. It was looking crusty. If you watched my earlier what I wore this week videos, I did talk about that. So this is the replacement that I found. And I am obsessed, and I know that having the faux fur will help it not to crack in areas that will get a lot of wear, like along the neckline. So super excited. This is the full look to go do some work. And then didn't go crazy on jewelry. I have, of course, the Flutter Tea Minx, and then just the Brocky Revolve earrings, and I'm gonna throw on some gloves, which is why I figured I would just avoid rings because I didn't want them to get caught. So this is my semi-black, a mix of patterns, mix of textures. Let's go work at the coffee shop. That's everything I wore. It was such a fun week, such a busy week, which is pretty rare for me actually. I even had a girls' night out on Thursday. I didn't get a chance to capture the outfit because literally I was going straight from my conference to go hang out with the girls, so didn't get a chance to capture the outfit, especially like in good lighting, but I wore the And Other Stories sweater dress. It is absolutely perfect and a necessity for looking cute, chic, but staying warm in winter when you're headed out. So that was a win for me. I'm really curious which outfit was your favorite, what really caught your eye. Let me know in the comments. I'm super, super curious. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. I hope you got some good tips and some advice how to put together outfits and get that look you're going for, to really get that elevated casual glam that really makes you feel like you're that girl, because you deserve that. I cannot stress that enough. I share all this with you because I definitely did build a lot of my self-confidence by building my style and getting more comfortable and getting more knowledgeable about how to put together outfits, and that really helped me build my self-confidence in a way that just, I mean, you can't touch it now. So I share the outfits, I share the tips, because that really helped me to get to the next level, and I really hope that it helps you to reach all the things that you are manifesting, because you absolutely deserve it. You're putting in the work, I know that you are, and I really just want to help you get there a little bit faster however I can. So thank you again, seriously, for watching all the way through. I absolutely appreciate you, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.